Easy Beginner English. لو بدك تتكلم إنجليزي بثقة فأنت في المكان الصح. هنا إنجليزي سهل للمبتدئين، جمل قصيرة سهلة وتستخدم كل يوم. يلا نبدأ.
جمل تجعلك واثقا فورا. الحلقة الثالثة. إنجليزي عملي يغير صورتك.
أنا جاهز.
I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
أوافق.
I agree. I agree. I agree.
لا أوافق.
I disagree. I disagree. I disagree.
صحيح.
That's right. That's right. That's right.
خطأ.
That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong.
أعتقد ذلك.
I believe so. I believe so. I believe so.
أنا متأكد.
I'm sure. I'm sure. I'm sure.
غير متأكد.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure. I'm not sure.
ممكن.
It's possible. It's possible. It's possible.
مستحيل.
It's impossible. It's impossible. It's impossible.
أستطيع.
I can do it. I can do it. I can do it.
لا أستطيع.
I can't. I can't. I can't.
سأفعل.
I will. I will. I will.
لن أفعل.
I won't. I won't. I won't.
أحتاج هذا.
I need this. I need this. I need this.
أريد هذا.
I want this. I want this. I want this.
يعجبني.
I like it. I like it. I like it.
لا يعجبني.
I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it.
أحبه.
I love it. I love it. I love it.
أكرهه.
I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
هذا مفيد.
That helps. That helps. That helps.
هذا مناسب.
That works. That works. That works.
كاف.
That's enough. That's enough. That's enough.
المزيد.
More please. More please. More please.
أقل.
Less please. Less please. Less please.
كثير.
Too much. Too much. Too much.
قليل.
Too little. Too little. Too little.
مناسب.
Just right. Just right. Just right.
لنجرب.
Let's try. Let's try. Let's try.
لنرى.
Let's see. Let's see. Let's see.
أعطني هذا.
Give me this. Give me this. Give me this.
خذ هذا.
Take this. Take this. Take this.
انتظر.
Hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
استمر.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
تمهل.
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down.
أسرع.
Speed up. Speed up. Speed up.
أفهم.
I understand. I understand. I understand.
لا أفهم.
I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't understand.
هل تساعد؟
Can you help? Can you help? Can you help?
ساعدني.
Help me. Help me. Help me.
أنا تائه.
I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm lost.
مشغول.
I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy.
متفرغ.
I'm free. I'm free. I'm free.
اتصل بي.
Call me. Call me. Call me.
راسلني.
Text me. Text me. Text me.
أرسل إيميل.
Email me. Email me. Email me.
قابلني.
Meet me. Meet me. Meet me.
ثق بي.
Trust me. Trust me. Trust me.
صدقني.
Believe me. Believe me. Believe me.
اتبعني.
Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
هذا ليس سهلا.
This is not easy. This is not easy. This is not easy.
هل أنت بخير؟
Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay?
اذهب إلى هناك.
Go there. Go there. Go there.
أنا جاهز الآن.
I am ready now. I am ready now. I am ready now.
هذا ليس ما أريد.
This is not what I want. This is not what I want. This is not what I want.
هل تفضل هذا؟
Can you clarify this? Can you clarify this? Can you clarify this?
ما هو رأيك؟
What is your opinion? What is your opinion? What is your opinion?
من الحلقة 4 نبدأ مواقف العمل. اشترك الآن.